my channel All About Aoife. I'm Aoife and today I'm going to be talking you through these two easy Easter springtime treats. I have a delicious white chocolate mud cake with white chocolate ganache and some coloured coconut on top, and then I have this delicious vanilla cheesecake, and I am obsessed with the biscuit part of any cheesecake. I want more biscuit, so I've pretty much done like half biscuit and half cheesecake. Of course, if you're like me, you can do the same, but if you would like more of the cheesecake, then you can add more of the cheesecake filling. I'm obsessed with the biscuit, so that's why I wanted to make it the way I would love to eat it, and that's what baking's all about: getting creative, doing things that you love to do and putting your own spin on it. So let's get started on these easy treats. Okay, so first off, I'm going to make my delicious vanilla cheesecake. It couldn't be easier. I'm going to list all of the recipe and the ingredients down in the description below, so don't worry if you miss anything. And it is a really easy cheesecake to make. It's a no-bake one, which I love, and you just set it overnight and then come back and do the decoration on top the next day. So let's get started on that. Next up, I'm going to show you how to make my delicious white chocolate mud cakes. These couldn't be easier. They take a little bit longer than the cheesecake to prepare, but they are so good and really easy as well. I first of all melt down my ingredients in a pan, and then when that ingredients have cooled down, I'm going to add them to my flour, my eggs, because we don't want our eggs to scramble in the warm mixture. I'm then going to pop them into cupcake cases and into the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know the cakes are done when you insert a skewer and it comes out nice and clean. So let's get started on that. springtime treats. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this tutorial today. If you have, please do let me know by giving me a big thumbs up, commenting below, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I hope you have a great Easter, and I'll see you again real soon, guys. Bye bye.